Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today we are going to talk about something that a lot of you guys have been asking me, that how to get that perfect flawless glowing base. So guys, this is the base that I have come up with, and I have used few of my favorite products, but honestly for me the most important thing is skin prep. So that is what I am going to take you through, how I prep my skin, what products I am using and what tools I am using, because honestly tools make all the required difference. So if you want to know how to get this perfect glowing flawless base, then you know what to do. You gotta stay here, keep on watching. Hey guys, so first up I'm using my Smashbox Photo Focus Primer Water, and this not only preps my skin for the makeup but also adds radiance and hydration, which is all to desired. Next up I'm using my Bobbibrownindia Vitamin Enriched Face Base. It primes my face but also adds moisture, makes my skin soft, smooth, plump and visibly luminous, which is quite important for a glowy base. So next step is an optional step. You don't need to do it, but I'm doing it because I'm extra AF. I'm just spritzing myself with MAC charged water for added hydration. And guys, now this is a gentle reminder that you need to drink water to make sure your skin is glowing from within, which will definitely help you guys with a glowy base. So next up I'm using my Farsalicare Unicorn Essence with Aveeno Skin Relief Moisturizer, because as I said I'm extra AF. And after that I am using my Nykaa SKINgenius Packaged Liquid Foundation and MAC Strobe Cream, all mixed in together. I'm creating my own magical concoction and placing it all over my face, and then I'm taking my Wise blender. And guys, honestly I'm in love, I'm smitten and obsessed with this blender because this is a total game changer. It actually reduces your blending time into half, just half. And guys, whatever you're seeing on the screen is real time. I have not fast forwarded or cut any portion of it, because I actually wanted you guys to see it for yourself, how good and how easy your blending becomes with this blender. So I highly recommend this one. So next up I'm taking my LA Girl Pro Conceal HD concealers in medium beige and natural, and I'm applying all over my face where I usually apply concealer, that is under my eyes, over my eyelids, my forehead, my cupid's bow, my chin, and blending with the small blender that comes with that Weishi big blender. And guys, I just cannot emphasize enough on how good these blenders are. If you want to up your makeup game, guys, these are the tools that you need to invest in. And now I'm applying teeny tiny bit of the brightening concealer just below my under eyes, on my cupid's bow, and a little bit just below where I place my contour, and again blending it out with that Weishi small blender. And it's as good as, if not better than, the real blender. It helps in blending away stuff in more precise manner and super quickly. So yep, I'm done, and I am just a little up close and personal with you guys because I wanted to show you what that skin prep has done to my face. It is already glowing, and I'm yet to add a highlighter. So next up I'm taking my Maybelline Fit Me loose powder and placing it on the places where I have used my concealer with the help of damp smaller sponge from Weishi. And guys, the combination of these two is deadly. The smaller sponge helps me place powder precisely where I want it. It is very good for baking and stuff, and the powder in itself is top-notch quality, better than maybe quite a few high-end ones. So yes, I'm done. I have put rest of my makeup off camera because today was all about the base. Now I'm just posing. So guys, this is how I have achieved this beautiful glowing from within glowy base, which is almost skin-like. So I hope you found this video helpful. Well, if you did, then please give this video a big fat thumbs up and also hit the subscription button down below, and don't forget to ring that notification bell so guys are informed when I upload next. And guys, thanks for taking your time out and watching this video. I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.